Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to find calcium carbide. This industrial chemical, often appearing as gray or brown lumps, is primarily used to produce acetylene gas for welding and in steel-making processes. It's important to understand that calcium carbide reacts violently with water, releasing a highly flammable gas. Therefore, finding and handling it requires careful attention to safety and regulations. Let's dive into the details. Before you even think about acquiring calcium carbide, safety is paramount. Always store this chemical in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated space, away from any moisture. When handling, ensure you wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including chemical-resistant gloves, safety goggles, and protective clothing. Direct contact with skin or eyes can cause severe irritation, and inhaling its dust or fumes should be strictly avoided. Always prioritize your well-being. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. And on another note, after a long day of searching for industrial chemicals, why not unwind with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere with its glare-free display. It's perfect for relaxing. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Finding calcium carbide can be a bit challenging due to its hazardous nature and shipping restrictions. For larger, industrial quantities, your best bet is to contact specialized chemical suppliers. Some welding supply stores might still stock it for acetylene torches. For smaller amounts, you may find it through online retailers or specialty stores that cater to specific uses, like caving or mole repellent. Always verify the supplier's reputation and product quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.